The DasherDirect app provides instant access to your earnings through a virtual Visa debit card. This digital card functions just like a physical card, but exists entirely within your smartphone app. To view your virtual card number, start by opening the DasherDirect app on your phone. Navigate to either the card section or account section. Both will give you access to your virtual card details. For security purposes, your card number is initially masked when you first view it. You'll only see the last 4 digits of your card number, with the rest hidden by asterisks or dots. To reveal your full card number, simply tap on the card image within the app. Alternatively, you can use biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to access the complete card details securely. Once authenticated, your full card details will be displayed temporarily, typically for 30 to 60 seconds. The app automatically hides the information after this time period for your security. For additional security, the DasherDirect app prevents screenshots when card details are displayed. Some app versions also offer temporary virtual card numbers that can be generated for specific transactions, providing an extra layer of protection. DasherDirect protects your virtual card with multiple advanced security layers, working together to keep your financial information safe. Tokenization is the first line of defense. Your actual card number is never used in transactions. Instead, it's replaced with a secure token that's meaningless to hackers. Biometric authentication adds another security layer. Your fingerprint or face scan is required before revealing sensitive card details, ensuring only you can access your information. End-to-end encryption protects your data during transmission. Information is encrypted on your device and only decrypted at the secure destination, making it unreadable to anyone intercepting it. AI-powered systems continuously monitor your account for suspicious activity. These intelligent algorithms can detect unusual patterns and block fraudulent transactions in real time. Dynamic CVV codes provide an extra security layer by changing periodically. Even if someone obtains your card details, the security code becomes invalid after a short time. Behavioral analytics learn your spending patterns to identify unusual activity. The app also prevents screenshots and screen recordings when card details are displayed, protecting against digital theft. These comprehensive security measures are highly effective. DasherDirect maintains a fraud rate of less than 0.01%, which is well below the industry average, demonstrating the strength of these protective systems.